a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed.
As you can see, Andy is a really soft, pretty mover. He has only recently come to me, and we've been working all on top line work, top line work, top line work. So with his jogging, he's just starting to get that pretty close to locked in, and he has a lot of try. He really enjoys the lawn trot. He's going to be an all-arounder, and he's got a lot of charm. This guy loves people. He loves to snuggle with you and do things that a lot of people enjoy having him do. So he genuinely enjoys people.
And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen.
Currently, the loaf is the last area that we're still working on some correction. He's still trying extra hard, and the big thing right now is just asking him to put his head down and round his back and stay together and make it look effortless. So right now it's still something he works hard at, and I gotta give him credit for that. But when he's done, you can see he's going to have the sweepy legs just like he shows here. It's just a matter of getting that back strengthened up the rest of the way so that he has that top line and can flow with his legs.
I'm gonna send the blood, I'm gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me. I make no apologies. This is me. Another round of bullets hits my skin. Well, fire away, 'cause today I won't let the pain sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. I'm gonna send a blood, gonna drown a mind. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.